Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the perspective on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the right side of the screen and click to the second icon, the pencil, and here you can find the third row and click to the second button, the perspective. New, just you can find the lower bar, you can tilt, rotate, scale, or you can use the free option. And you can find different mode, and you can use the auto button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.